Buenas Day, hello. A little garden tour before the storm. It's May 2023. The garlic is almost ready. I could use 5-6 more weeks. End of June. Got some mint in that earth box. And then here I am string trellising eggplant, peppers, and tomatoes in these earth boxes. So as I step back, you can see how my husband has helped me set it up. We've got T-posts in between the earth boxes, secured to, what do you call those things? PVC pipes. That is PVC pipe secured to T-posts. And then I dropped string. Let's see here. I put a string, what do you call that? Paracord across the bottom where I tied the string trellis system and clips. And then they go up and they hang from hooks. So I can let more string down or pull it up as the tomato grows, as the plants grow. Well, I've got 2 rows of 5 earth boxes for tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. And they're companion planted with marigolds, oregano, basil. I think I've got a thyme out there also. I seeded the tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant, but my marigolds and basil were too small, so I had to buy those. Hopefully they'll be ready to go in a couple of days. Here I've got beans, including cigadillas or wing beans with pumpkin, those 2 boxes. And then these 3 have melon, cantaloupe, and a watermelon with radishes and some surviving green onions from last season. And then we attach this fencing to the batting cage posts, and the melons will grow up there. So we are still keeping the batting cage. All right, here's another set of 5 earth boxes. Same system. I just haven't planted my remaining tomatoes and peppers. I'll do that this week. But I do have zucchini here. We'll give it a shot again. Covering from the birds until the plants get a little bigger. Where the carrots used to be, we've got 2 mounds of watermelon, so I need to thin them down to 1 plant. And the green onions, lavender. Here is the Japanese Murasaki sweet potatoes, my favorite sweet potatoes, cream on the inside and purple on the outside. I had the netting over it. I just removed it today so birds can get at the bugs because there's some eating the leaves, but the plants are big enough. I left the lower third of the pool wrapped to help keep the rabbits out because the baby rabbits fit through there. We've got cucumber, China jade cucumber. Got to thin those out with borage, radishes, marigold, oregano. And I have my potatoes. What used to be my potatoes. 4 pools of it, but they caught blight, I believe, early blight, and they were just ravaged by it. So I had to cut them out. This one, though, survived. So it must be a very good disease-resistant variety, and I'll make a note to do that. To buy more of that or plant that next time. And we've got the blueberries, but I don't know if they're growing, if they're even still alive. 3 came without leaves and 1 started to leaf out. And that's strawberry, wild or alpine strawberries. Probably overcrowded, but I have so many plants, so. Those are the pineapple ones. And you got some flowers, tiny fruits yet to develop, but they're there. And then these are the red version. I forget what the official name was. The leaves are, I've got something, but you know, flowers are growing. And here is Luella. This is my girl Jessica's blueberry plant. This is the only one that came with leaves, and it's doing fine. The other ones, planted by a couple of my other softball girls, I think they're still alive. It looks like they're starting to bud, but they definitely have no leaves. So there you have it. A little different setup of my garden. Don't let anyone tell you gardening is easy, because it is not. It's so much work, but you know, you work hard in the spring, and then in the summer you can enjoy the fruits and vegetables and herbs of your labor.